Hey there, I'm Bob LeCarey, the product line manager for test equipment here at Fiber Instrument Sales, and I'm going to talk a little bit about this new product we have. It's a launch and receive cleaning kit. So essentially it's a launch reel and some cleaning supplies, and the importance of a launch reel is gives you the ability to test the first connector you're plugging into on your cable. The one thing you want to stay away from is plugging directly from your test cable directly into your OTDR. You also would want to stay away from using a short patch cord as well, because as you plug into the OTDR port, there is a reflective event, and reflective events have dead zones. No matter what type of OTDR you have, every reflection event will have a dead zone. And what the launch reel does is push out ahead past this initial dead zone, put some space, put some fiber between your OTDR launch reflection and the connector you're going to first test on your test cable. So the way this kit's put together, you have your little OTDR launch reel module here with two connectors of your choice. This one having to be SC APC on both sides. So the first thing you're going to want to do with the bulkhead ferrule cleaner that's provided in this kit is you're going to want to clean the connector as well as clean inside the OTDR port. And now I'm plugging my launch reel into the OTDR, and now this connector right here I'm going to plug into my actual test cable. And now I can go through, and if I have to test multiple cables, a high quantity of cables that I have to test, I'm going to keep plugging in and out with this connector on the far end of the launch reel, so as to protect wear and tear from my OTDR test port, as well as to, again, like I had said, push the reflective event of your first connector under test away from the OTDR test port reflection. Also coming in the kit is a couple of mating sleeves, these ones for SC, and an alcohol pen for alcohol wet cleanings. If you have any questions, please contact your FIS sales rep. Again, this is Bob LeCarey with Fiber Instrument Sales. Have a great day.
Check out our channel and hit the subscribe button for new videos.